あんた本当にバカですね。あんた本当にバカですね。
Nói dối. Chết này.
Once upon a time, a little girl named Marie was given a nutcracker for Christmas. Marie loved the nutcracker very much because he could crack nuts between his teeth. The nutcracker and Marie followed the snowflakes through the forest. At last they came to the land of the sugar plum fairies. With a wave of her wand, the sugar plum fairy queen transformed the nutcracker into a handsome prince, and Marie into a beautiful princess. And all the sugar plum fairies danced with happiness.
I scare you super hard, so you're super god of a super crevice to scare the ground for. Oh my god, you got 444 punishment. If you turn off his punishment, it's 555 punishment. I am idiotic. Ha 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 ha. You got idiotic punishment because you are so.